Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Proton Pass extension on Chrome. So let's get started. First open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now in the search bar, search for Proton Pass. Enter. Here you will see the first one is Proton Pass Free Password Manager. Then click on Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. After installing, click the puzzle icon and now mark it as pin. Here you will see there are two options: connect to a Proton account or create a Proton account. So I don't have Proton account, so I will create a Proton account. So I will select the free version. Here you will see email address and then enter password. Start using Proton Pass now. Click on no thanks. Here you will see email address verification. So I will entering 8553, then click on verify. You can save or no thanks. Here you will see creating your account. Once you are logged in, here you will see secure your account. Click on I understand, then click on continue. Now the Proton Pass is ready to use. To save a password, open any website. Like I am opening add account. Here I am entering email ID. Click on next. I am entering the password, then click on next. Proton Pass will save the password for me. You can also create login like title, create login, then enter password, email or username. Also you can add the website. And that's it. Now you know how to use Proton Pass extension on Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.